Hi there, today I will show you how you connect your Shopify shop to your Traede account. So first of all, you will go up to your App Store section here, go into App Store, find the one called Shopify out here, click it. So this has already been installed on our account here, but what you will have is an install button that you will simply just press install, and then kind of this picture will come up. So to connect your Shopify shop, you will have to type in your Shopify URL. This you're able to grab from your Shopify setup. So if you just go in and take the full address of your Shopify shop and type that in, then what you actually need to have is until the .com. From here you will choose the currency for which you would like to work in. If you have multiple currency Shopify shops, you will create a shop for each currency. But in this case it will just be Danish crowns. Choose Danish crown. And it's important that when you do this exercise to be logged into a Shopify shop in the same browser window, because you will be transferred from Traede into Shopify to accept the connection. So when I have these two, I will press shop. You can see it will push me into my Shopify shop. And here I will say install enlisted app. If you would like, you can kind of view details of what we get access to, but install that. And you'll be pushed back to Traede. And as you can see, so it was here as well in the front, but we now have our Traede B2C shop.myshopify.com DK. Cool. So when this is done, you have some different parts. So if you're going to run your B2C orders into Traede, so this would be in cases where you want your inventory to be handled in Traede, you'll have to import your orders. What you're going to do here is depending on your setup, if it's manually conducted in Traede or if it's done by web shipper, if you have a web shipper integration. But in any cases, choose your shipping method, in this case manual. You will have to create a B2C customer in Traede where you can log all the orders. So you just go to your customer list and create a B2C customer, maybe called Shopify B2C customer. Create a payment term, so that could also be, it could be called B2C, B2C prepaid or B2C payments. This can be created down in your payment terms out here, and then you will have to choose a B2C user, and this will always be the user that your account was created on, so it will be named something like demo.yourbrandname@traede.com. Choose that one. Then that's all good, and we at Traede will help you with the rest when we start importing the orders and so forth. Down in product data, you have different things you can check off. So if you want to sync products, so this is in cases where you want to push products from Traede over to Shopify, or you want to push data on existing products in Shopify from or you want to override it with data in Traede. You're able to split up products, so you might have products in Traede that a product that has multiple colors and sizes, and you might want in a B2C perspective to have a color per or a product per color of this product. Then you can go in and split it up by attributes, as we call it. you're able to create a variant even though there's no stock on it. So this could be if you are getting ready to push a new collection over, but you don't have the stock home yet. You're still able to push it to Shopify. You're able to synchronize images. Just be aware that you only would like to have images in Traede then. So you don't want to have images on the products in Shopify when you start doing this, because then you will have doublets of images. If you are in a case where you already have images in both Shopify and Traede, and you want to sync it up, please reach out to us and we will assist in helping you with this. Further down, we have everything that we kind of able to synchronize. So you're able to create new products as unpublished. Again, makes sense if you have products that you wanna kind of edit when they are synced to Shopify. I want to do some updates or something like that. That is meant for the B2C, the B2C environment. Then you can push it as unpublished. You're able to sync product descriptions. If you have sub-branch, you're able to do that. It will be called vendors in Shopify. You're able to sync tags. You're able to sync collection, categories, and subcategories as tags. So in cases where you have a specific setup in Shopify, we won't go in and take over this. We will just apply whatever information from the product in regards to collection, categories and subcategories as tags to your products in Shopify, so you can manage them depending on the tags. If you put in a offer price on B2C on the product in Traede, we will push it as we will create a sales tag with it in Shopify. And lastly, if you have any custom fields, that could be country of origin or tariff codes, that could be pushed as well. Inventory is probably the last important part, is that, and this is in cases where you run your inventory from Traede, you're able to get this to sync over to your Shopify setup. You just choose your inventory location that you would like to sync into Shopify. And again, this is only applied if you have your inventory in Traede and therefore also are pushing orders from Shopify into Traede to fulfill them and close them from within Traede. So this is how you link up Traede to your Shopify account.